Okay, here we go. The first thing you want to do is hopefully you have your domain name already and your WordPress hosting. You want to go to your domain name. I'll be using domainpricecheap.com/WP-admin. So whatever your domain name is, you put /WP-admin. It's going to ask you for your login details. Mine is already set. So now you'll be on your WordPress dashboard. The first thing you want to do is we're going to be using Thrive Architect. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here and get Thrive Architect. I'm already a member. If you do not have Thrive Architect, let me show you a website where you can get it, because this will be the plugin that I'm using to create this website. Okay? It's going to look awesome. If you don't have Thrive Architect, you go to creatingwebsite.org, click right here where it says Get Thrive Architect Plugin. It's only $67. I'm telling you, it's worth it. If you're looking for something free, then this is not the tutorial. Come on, somebody. This one's going to cost you, but your website's going to look nice. Look at this one. Even this website right here was created with Thrive Architect. It's bomb. Okay, you got videos, all kinds of stuff. All right, so what you want to do is you want to go to creatingwebsite.org, click the button that says Get Thrive Architect Plugin. You want to add to cart. Okay, once you do that, it's going to ask you for some details. It's $67. Put in your details, and you're going to sign up, and then you're good. Now, once you sign up, you're going to go to thrivethemes.com and log into your account, which I'm going to do right now. So let me go ahead and log in. We're going to go from start to finish. Okay. Oops, sorry about that. I put the wrong thing. Here we go. I got to put the right one. There we go. Okay. We're going from start to finish. Now, once you get the Thrive Architect plugin, you want to go to your account. Then you want to go to where it says My Account. Okay, sorry about that. You want to go to Members Home. Once you go to Members Home, it's going to take you all your plugins and everything you bought. I have all kinds of them. You'll probably just have one, which is Thrive Architect. You hit download. Okay, now once you hit download, what you want to do, you want to do this. Okay, let me close this. Let me close this. And you're going to go to your WordPress dashboard. You want to go here where it says plugins, add new, okay, upload plugin. So wherever you've downloaded Thrive Architect, you want to go find that. Mine is in this file here. So I'm going to go ahead and get my Thrive Architect. Then I'm going to hit install now. Now, like I said, this is behind the scenes. So if we have challenges, we'll work them out together. Okay. And I have to show you some behind the scenes ways of doing things if there's challenges, but that's part of creating a website. So let's see what happens. Okay, so our plugin is installing right now. Once again, it's called Thrive Architect. This plugin is amazing. You could create some awesome websites. While it's uploading, let me show you another one that I created with Thrive Architect. GospelDJDrops.com. I created this website with Thrive Architect. So all you rappers out there, you got your music group. There's so much you can do. Okay. So let me go ahead and close that. Close that. Okay. Okay. Here we go. It says something went wrong. So now I'm going to show you the behind the scenes way of installing Thrive Architect. What I have to do is I got to go to where I bought my hosting, which is creatingwebsite.org. Okay. Then I got to go log in. I'm going to show you behind the scenes way of doing this, because maybe you might have the same challenge, but we're going to work it. Okay, so this is where I bought my hosting. So now I got to go to my control panel, and I'm going to install Thrive Architect through my control panel, because it seems like my WordPress is having a challenge reading it. So I'm going to go to my products. Okay, then I'm going to go over here to my web hosting. So let's click that. We're on a mission. We're on a mission together. Okay. So we're going to the hosting. Okay. WordPress hosting. We're going to go to manage. And then I'm going to go to my cPanel. Okay. Once we get to the cPanel, we're going to go to File Manager. This is a whole tutorial in itself. So if you ever have a challenge installing a plugin, this is the back door. Then I'm going to go to domain, where am I at? I'm installing on domainpricecheap.com. You click that. Click WordPress content, WP content. Go to your plugins. So now what I want to do is I want to go get my plugin from my hard drive. Okay. Okay, I want Thrive Architect. I'm going to click it, drag it. I'm sorry, not click and drag. You're going to upload it. My bad. So where are we at? Upload. Go to File. Where I got my plugin. Double click. And it's uploading. Okay. It's on the move. Let me close some of these things here. Let's close that. Don't want to close that. And we can close that. We could also close this. Okay, let's see where we're at as far as the upload. Okay, looks like it's almost done. Okay, it's done. Let's go back. Okay, see where it says Thrive Architect? Right click, hit extract. Extract files. Okay, then you hit close. Then you want to refresh. Go ahead and reload it. If I were you, I would delete this. You don't need that no more. That's the zip file. Now we're going to go back to our dashboard. We can close this now because the plugin has been installed. Go to plugins and you want to activate Thrive Architect. That's a whole plugin right there in itself. I mean, a whole tutorial in itself. You want to hit update. Just that section alone is a whole tutorial. But we're going to do this, okay? So we're going to get you a website looking real nice. We're going to try to get you one that looks something like this. Okay? Like I said, get comfortable. We on a mission. Plugin is updating. So let's go ahead and let that thing update. Okay, it's done updating. Got your green check. So we're going to go back to our dashboard. And you want to go here where it says Thrive Dashboard. Okay, and you want to click Activate License. Then you want to go back to your Thrive Themes, website, get all that information. Remember dashboard. And then you go to my account and license keys. Like I said, this is step by step. So let me get my license key. Okay, boom. Got it. Let me close this while we're at it. Close that. Okay. Get my email address. My license key. Validate license. License activated. All right, go to dashboard. First thing we want to do is we want to go ahead and hit pages. Add new. And we're going to call this, we're going to build a one-page website. Let's call this home page. You're going to hit save. Okay. Now what you want to do is launch Thrive Architect. Let's get busy. Okay, first thing you want to do is choose landing page. Choose a landing page template. Okay, so this is how your website looks now. Let's go ahead and close this. If we go to domainpricecheap.com, this is how our website looks. We want to change that. So what you want to do is you want to click here. Okay, template setup. And you want to change, choose your landing page. And we're going to choose this template here. Boom, choose template. Okay. Next thing we want to do is we're going to customize the fonts and all that. So once again, we're going to go to landing page settings. Okay. And then you want to go here, landing page options. You want to tick this, remove theme CSS, speed up your website. Then you want to go to landing page text options, edit page text. Now this is going to be your default font for your whole website. Your header 1, heading 2, heading 3. If you're not too familiar with it, that's okay. It's basically how your fonts are going to look. So let's go ahead and let's choose typography, And we're going to choose our heading. First thing we're going to do is choose our fonts. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So let's do this. So our font here, let's do alt text first. So alt text will be, let's choose the Google font, and we'll try, let's see, Fair Display. That's a pretty cool font. Play Fair. Boom. Okay. So let's see how the font changed. So that's going to be our default font. Go ahead and hit apply. Okay. Then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and make sure you have your italics selected. Let me make sure that's selected. Boom. You want to click that. Then you hit apply. Okay. All right. So now that's your whole default font for your whole website. But let's go back there. Now we're going to customize. We're going to customize our paragraph text. Let's even change the size of this a little bit. So we're going to change the size of each individual one. To change all of them, you select all text. To change individual ones, you just click on that. So let's go ahead and change this one. Let's see, we're going to change that to 45. Boom. Change this one to 40. Change this one to 35. Change this one to 25. Let's change that one to 22. And let's keep that one at 20. Okay. Now let's see. Boom, boom, boom. Your plain text. Let's go ahead and make that 20 also. Okay. Then you want to go ahead and close it. And you want to hit save. All right. Good stuff. Good stuff. So now, see how the font changed? Pretty cool, huh? So let's go ahead and do this. We're going to delete this stuff that's on your website. Going to delete all this. All right. So now you got a blank page. Go ahead and hit save. Come on, somebody. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go here and we're going to add some background. So click background section. Okay. And slide it over. Boom. Let's click it a few. Maybe go ahead and copy a few of them. All right. After that, what you want to do is we're going to go here and we're going to add a column. So let's go ahead and get a column. I'm going to put 2 at the top right there. And I want to select 2 columns. All right. You with me? All right. Okay. Now what we're going to do, we're going to remove the spacing. So click here. And let's put this at 0. Put this at 0. Hit save. Okay. All right. So now, let me click this column. Let me remove the spacing on that one also. 0, 0. Okay, good stuff. Now, we're going to drag this to 60. We want 60, 40. If you hold down control, it'll go in 5 increments of 5. Okay, like that. Boom, boom. But you have to control drag. Okay, boom, boom, boom. All right, so that's what we want right there. Boom. All right, now after you got that, we're going to add a content box to the left. So let's go and get a content box. And we're going to put it right there. Okay, let's go ahead and change the margin. So you're going to click your box and make that 0. Make that 0. Then you're good. Okay, now what you want to do in your content box, you want to drag in an image. Now here's our goal. Let me show you our goal one more time. Our goal is to get our website to look like this. So that's what we're working on right now. Okay, so you want to go ahead and drag an image element in this content box. You want to drag, okay, wait, let's slow down a little bit. I forgot to upload the images. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to upload your images. I have some already pre-made. So you go to upload files, select files. And then I'm going to go to my hard drive. And we're going to go to where I have my images. And on this image, we want our logo. So let's go ahead and put logo there. Okay, hit insert to post. That's for the logo. Now remember, our goal is that. So this is where we're at right now. We're here. Okay, then you want to drag a header element. So you click, drag, put it right underneath. And here, what do we have on this? We have get yours today. So let's go ahead and type that in. Get yours today. Change the color. You click the text options. We're going to make it green. Cool thing about that is once you like the color you want, okay, get it there and you hit plus. Now whenever you select this color, it'll always be the same all over your website. Okay, and then what you want to do is you want to come over here and drag, click and drag paragraph. Let's see what this paragraph says here. Let's go ahead and copy and paste it. How about that? You can make it say whatever you want, but I'm just going to copy and paste it. Boom. Come on, somebody. And then we're going to hit save. All right. And we're going to make this a header 1. Okay, so you click it and you go here, make that header 1. Got to change the color again. And make it the green. It's already saved for us. Good stuff, huh? Let me see. Is this one green too? All right, that's black. Okay, let's leave that one black. Boom. And we're going to hit save. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add an image over here to the right column. Now here's some cool stuff. Check this out. You're going to select the column, right? And then you're going to hit background style. And you're going to select image. And you want to choose image. We have no images uploaded, but I'm going to go get the image right now. Okay. So right here, let me see what image we want. We want this image here. Okay. And then we're going to hit insert to post. Okay. And then we're going to hit apply. And we're going to hit save. Okay. Let's go ahead and refresh our page. It still looks like that. Let me tell you why. Let me show you. Here's a change you need to make while you're working on your website. Make sure everything's saved. Okay, so hit save. And we're going to go here. And we need to publish this page. So that's pages. Okay, in case you don't know how to do it, you go to pages. We're on our home page. You go to edit. Okay, it's going to take you to this page. We hit publish. I just hit it, so now it says update. What you want to do is you want to go to settings and you want to go to reading. Now we're going to change this home page to read the page we're working on now. Good stuff, huh? So you're going to go to static page, select home page, and you're going to hit save changes. Okay, so when you refresh now, it's going to be the page that we're working on. This is what people see at domainpricecheap.com. Pretty exciting, huh? All right, let's do it. So now what you want to do is we're going to go back to our page. There's something you want to do here. You want to click in here and you want to go to layout position and you want to add some borders. Like 15 is good. So your text doesn't go to the left. And then another 15 is good here. You could put whatever you want. You know, whatever your, not 152, 15. Whatever your preference is. Okay. Go ahead and hit save. Now we're working on our image on the right. We're here. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add a nice gradient. Okay, see how that has a gradient on it? I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so we're going to click that. We're going to go back to background style and you're going to click gradient. And we're going to choose our colors. So remember, we already have our green saved. Now we want to do a nice orange. Let's see, what kind of orange do we want? Okay, that's cool. And then we're going to hit plus. Okay. So now what you're going to do is you're going to click this box, hit green. Click this box and hit the orange. Nice. And then you want to set this to 90 degrees. Okay. That's about right. Another thing you want to do is click this box and bring down your opacity to about, say, 70. Click this box, bring it down to about 70. Okay, hit apply, hit save. We're making progress. Our goal is this. Come on, somebody. All right, let's go ahead and refresh our little page, see what we got. Okay, we're getting there. Okay, so that's where we're at right now. We added the gradient. Now we want to add that button. There's a little button they have on this website right here. See that button? See if we can add that. So what we're going to do, we're going to go here. and you're going to go template and symbols, inside column. Boom. Let's see what kind of symbols we got. Okay, maybe now let's do a button. Let's do a button instead. So let's delete that. Let's go ahead and do a button. Boom. Okay, and we're going to make this button like that. Okay, and I don't know, what do they have right? They have get your domain now. You could put whatever you want. So we're going to put get your domain now. Now, okay. Let me see what kind of text. I like that bold text. So let's go ahead and go back here and make it all capitals. Get your domain now. Okay. Change the color of the button. Click it. Master color. We got our whatever color saved. We hit apply. Okay. Button width. If you want to change the width, however you want to do it. Boom. We want full width. However you want to do it. Is this one full width? No. Okay. So let's go back and just make it a little smaller. Now to change where your button is located at, click the button. Okay. And let's align this thing here. Let's take out some of these margins. Boom. 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 No, I liked it, that one actually. So let's put 10 back in there. And we're going to grab the top. We're going to slide it down. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Let's change this one to 150. Let's try 200. Okay. And we're going to slide it down to about right there. Then we're going to hit save. Okay. You could always change the color of the button however you want to do it. Okay. Now we're going to add a gradient. I think this button, let me see how we're going to do it here. Oh, it changes colors. Yeah, when you scroll over it, it changes colors. Boom, ours changes colors too. If you want to adjust those colors that are there, click your button. Okay, click the button. See where it says state? Go to hover state, and you change the color you want. If you want to go green, or say you want it to be blue, boom, you could save that blue, hit apply, and hit save. Exit the state, so now when you hover it, it goes to blue. Pretty cool, huh? We're making some progress. All right. So we added the button to the top left. Let me see. What can we do? What else can we do for you? Well, how about if we do this? Let's try this. I'm going to click the button, right? Okay, let me see if we could add a little gradient here. So you got button options. Let's try. Boom. So we're going to try our colors that we have already. Boom. And we're going to put our 90 degrees. See there. Okay. And we're going to drag it down to about 70. Click this box over here. Drag it down to about 70. Hit apply. That's a cool little button, huh? Then you hit save. Like I said, if it's your CD, business, church website, you could put whatever you want in this button. You could put a link to it. The way you put a link is you go here, you click the button. Okay, see where it says button link? You just type in the website that you want it to link to. Let me show you real quick. HTTP www. Say we want it to go to creatingwebsite.org. You hit save. So now when you preview it, okay, here if you click the button, it takes you to creatingwebsite.org. Pretty cool, huh? All right, let's go back. Okay, the next thing we want to do is we want to add the button that they have here to the website. So let's go and do that. I believe we go here to button and underneath, okay? And then what you want to do is you want to get the content box and drop it in there also. And then you want to take this button and put it in the content box. You want to make the button, you want to click on it, make it full width. Click there. And then what you want to do is select the content box that it is in. Go to your margins, which is at layout and position, and slide it to a negative margin. Boom. Okay. Then what we're going to do is we're going to add a, what do you call that? An icon to the button. So you want to hit add icon, make it go to the right. And let's see what icon we can add here. Let's see. Let's see what kind of icon. Let's see here. Oh, we can't see the icon. So let me see if I can get to the icon here. I see ya. Okay. Welcome to behind the scenes. Let's see. Some reason the button is not showing over our picture. So with that in mind, let's go and move that thing to the left. Gonna select the icon. Let's make it an arrow. Okay. Boom. Make it an arrow. I think that's what they have. Let's see. Yes, little arrow. And we got to move that thing to the right. I'm not for sure why it's not showing up, but let's go ahead and hit save. Okay. I think there's a way to change it, but I don't want to spend too much time on that. Okay, so boom, we got that. Okay, so let's go ahead and preview this thing. Okay, it's getting there. Okay, we got to change that a little bit. So now what you want to do, you want to put some margins in your box. So we're going to go to this content box and let's put some margins. Let's put maybe 15. There it is. There's our button. Welcome to behind the scenes. So now when you preview it, because we don't want it to be all crammed, you know. So let's see here. Let's see how it looks. Okay, it's getting there. It's getting there. Okay, let's go ahead and close this. Close that. Okay, so their button looks nice. I like that. I'm going to add a gradient. I know it's a little bit too much, but whatever you feel, you know, you could always make it the way you like it. But the way you add the gradient, you click here. And we're going to go to our button, which is there. You go to your background style, and we're going to add a little gradient. Once again, let's get our colors. We got that one. Click the box, make that one green. Go to 90 degrees. Okay, stick it to 90. Make sure your opacity is going down there. And your other opacity, you want to bring that one down. About right there. Looking nice. Looking really nice. Okay. Also, this button has like a little hover effect. I'm going to show you how you can add that. Click the button. See where it says state. Go to hover. And then whatever changes you want to make. I believe it has like the corners are like rounded. So we'll go ahead and round that. That's pretty cool. But let's just choose the outside. We don't want to do the whole thing. So that's 20 or 18. You click the other bottom. See how it changes the bottom? And you make that one 18. Okay. And what else can we do? We can even change the color. Let's change it when it hovers. Let's change it to like a light green. No, that's too much. Cancel that. Let's keep the same color but make it lighter. Okay. And then we'll add a shadow. Let's add a nice little shadow. So you want to click shadow. And boom. There we go. And let's make it black. Hit OK or apply. Hit apply. Boom. Hit save. Let's get out of the hover state. So now we got a little hover. Pretty cool, huh? All right, let's move on to the next thing. It's getting there. We're starting to, it's going to look like this one. We're getting there. Getting there. We're getting there. Come on, somebody. I think these colors are a little bit brighter over here. So let's make that a little bit brighter. So let's go over here to our, let's see, I think it's our column. Background style. Linear gradient. Let's make it a little darker. Oops, sorry about that. Didn't want to do that. Let's cancel that. Click that. Excuse me. There we go. Okay, that looks pretty cool. All right, so let's see what we got now. Let's preview it. Oh, I see it's a different color, but that's cool. You can adjust it to how you want. All right, let's go to the next section. Our next section, what do we got here? Okay, wow, that looks nice. Okay, let's hook this one up. So now you want to go here, and to add the header, you want to go over here to where it says heading. Okay, boom. You want to put that in your background section. And let's see what they called it. Let's just go ahead and copy what they have. So we'll copy and paste it, Control C. And we'll put it in here. Nice. Let's change the color. Let's go with our green. I like that. And let's center it. So you go there. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and center it. Boom, looks nice. Let's give it a little space to breathe though, because it's kind of like right at the top. So let's go here, give it a little space to breathe, and we'll click the top, slide it. Oops, my bad. It's the wrong thing. You want to click the background section, which is here, and then you go slide it down a little bit. Give it some room to breathe. Okay, so now what we got is we got a little paragraph underneath. So let's go ahead and grab that paragraph. I'm showing you how to design this website from start to finish. So let's go ahead and get our paragraph, slide it right underneath. And what does their paragraph say? Get your domain today. Let's go ahead and take that one, put it in there, center it, save it. And let's close some of these things. Boom. Okay. What color is there? There's this green, so let's make ours green. Go to your color, you save color. That's the cool thing about this Thrive Architect. It saves colors. It does all kinds of stuff. All right, boom. So we got that. It's looking good, huh? We're making some progress. So now we want to get these items here. So let me show you how to do that. The way you do that is you're going to go here and you're going to go to columns. Okay? And you want to drop them in there. And you want to do 3 column. Okay? Then what you want to do, this is going to be cool right here. Check this one out. You want to go to insert an image. So what I'm going to do one at a time, and then we're just going to copy and paste. And I'm going to go get these images right here. Let me go get them. So upload, select files, and there's the images. It's 1, 2, and 3. Let's grab that one too. Okay, boom. And they have the www, the hosting, and the online class. So let's got the www, insert into post. It's kind of big, but I think it's like 215, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, might even be smaller, but you know, this is just showing you how to do it. You can get creative. Let's go ahead and center it. Boom. Okay, what else we got? Yeah, it's a little smaller than that. Maybe it's 125. Let's try that. That looks about right. Go ahead and save that. And then they have, we got a header and some more text. So I'm going to show you a little secret that'll save you some time. Okay, so you got header, heading. And I think it says domain names. So let's put that. D-O-M-A-N. Like I said, get comfortable, get you some coffee. You could always stop the video and come back. But this is a free course that you'd probably pay thousands for. You pay people hundreds of dollars to design your website. I'm going to teach you how to do it so you don't have to pay nobody no more. Okay, boom here. Let's go ahead and get the green going on for you. Boom. It's coming along. Now we're going to get a paragraph, put it right underneath. So let me click it first. Tell us where we want to put it. Right underneath. And what does it say? Let's grab that paragraph right there. Boom. The place that sells domain names for cheap. Boom. Let's change the color. Highlight it. Go to your colors. Pick your green. Hit apply. Let's center it. Boom. And let's make this a heading 2, which it already is. Change the color. Boom. Okay. We're getting somewhere. Now let me show you something that's going to save you a lot of time. Okay. See how we got this? I think it's looking almost the same, right? Let's hit save. I'm going to show you how to make these two columns right here real quick. All you got to do is you want to go to this column and you want to duplicate it. Okay? So you're going to go to this column and you want to duplicate it. Where we at here? Boom. Let me see. Oh, I see. Let me hit save. Let me come out of here real quick. Just refresh this thing. Okay, let's go back to dashboard. Let's go to pages. Let's edit with Thrive Architect. Just going to refresh my browser because I see it didn't show me the duplicate signal. So I just wanted to refresh it, make sure everything's good. Okay. Boom. Still not showing me the duplicate. Interesting. Okay. It shows me the duplicate there. Duplicate there. I'm not for sure why it's not showing me the duplicate. Because that's a really good feature, but we're gonna have to, looks like we have to do all one at a time. So let's do it. Okay, image. And then what's the next one they got? Web hosting. Click that there. Boom. It's 125. Okay. And we want to center it. And then what's this one? Well, we could duplicate this stuff. So let's duplicate it. Slide it over. Below image. We could even duplicate that. Slide it over. Boom. And let's grab this text here. Put it in that box. And I think this one says web hosting. So let's go ahead and type that. Okay. Boom. Now we're going to go over here. Get another image. Click and drag. What's the next image they got? The class, online class. Boom. Put it there. Once again, it's 125. So let's resize it. Let's put it in the middle. Let's close this. Shrink this a little bit. All right, layout position. Going to go to the middle. And we're going to duplicate this. Boom. Slide it over. And we're going to duplicate this. Save us a lot of typing. Okay, then we're going to go grab this. Boom. And we're going to copy it. And it says online class. So we could type that. Okay, so online class. I'm going to get the text I just copied and paste it in here and hit save. Okay, let's see how we're looking so far. Let's see what we got. Okay, so looks like our margins need to be fixed a little bit. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's do that. Boom. Put some margins. So the way you do that is you go here. And let's see, let's put like 25. Okay, maybe even more. Let's try 45. Okay, hit save. Now we can preview this thing here. That looks a lot better. Okay, it's getting there. Looks a lot better. Okay. Boom. Boom. Okay, now what we want to do is where we got now. What we got. Ooh-wee. Okay, let's see if we can figure this one out here. This is good. Okay, what it looks like, it's a background with color. So we're going to go here, click background. And let's see. Let's try background style. Let's try green. Let's lighten it up a little bit and hit apply. Okay, then what else they got? Okay, I see. Okay, give me 1 second. Let me just work this thing for you really quick. Okay, sorry about that. And then what we're going to do, now we got the background, we're going to add 2 columns. It looks like they have 2 columns, right? Yes, 2 columns. So boom. And then I think it's like a little 60-40, I think it is. Yeah, spread it out a little bit. Okay, boom. Like that. And then what else they got? Okay, this is going to be good right here. So I think the way we're going to do this is we're going to put a content box. And then let's put some borders in this content box. I don't like things going to the edge. I always want to put some borders so it doesn't go to the edge. So let's try 30 and 30. Okay, cool. Now you got your content box. It looks like what you want to do now is add an image. Because I think that's, yeah, they got a nice image. So let's go ahead and get this image. The way you're going to add the image, you're going to click content box. You're going to go to your background style, select image, choose image, and let me see what file. Let's try a black and white one. So we'll grab that one, that one, that one, and that one. Excuse me. And I think it's that one. Yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead and grab that black and white one, insert it into post. And we're going to click apply. Okay, what else they got? That looks cool. So we want to make this thing a little bigger. The way you do that, you want to select your content box. And let's see here. Maximum height. Boom. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. All right. And then I think they have a gradient over it. Faithful gradient. So we're going to click that. Remember our colors, right? Let's try that one. And you could always change the colors if you're not feeling it, 90 degrees. So your gradient is 90 degrees. Boom. And then you want to bring your opacity down so you can see the picture behind it. Click that box, bring the opacity down. Bring it down. Right there. Bring that up a little bit. Let me see. That's cool. Oh, there's different colors. That's why it looks totally different. Let me see. But you get the idea. So let's go ahead and just move forward. Boom. Hit save. And then they have a little slant. Okay, let me show you how to do that. What you want to do is you want to click. Okay. Select the content box. Okay, and you want to go to where it says decorations. So let's see if we can find there it is, decorations, slanted edge, and then you want to bring that tilt like that. Okay, that's what they did. Nice. Okay, then you're good. Then you want to add a special effect. So you want to add a content box over this image. This is good stuff, huh? All for free. Boom. And then after you add the content box over the image, we're going to change our margins. So let's go here, make that 0. That's 0. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to go select the content box, and we're going to go to background style. We're going to click pattern, and let's do this pattern there. Hit apply. Okay, now I want to change the width. I want to change the height. Okay, let's let me see. Let's go ahead and put it to the right. And let's drop it. Let me see if I could drop it to the bottom. Content box, vertical position. Okay, maybe I could just do it manually. So we click that. And you slide it down. Boom. Okay. I think we're getting there. Let's drop that. Slide a little bit to the left. Let me see. Go to the, let me There we go. Okay, cool. Let's hit save. There we go. Oh, now we got some text over here. So let's go ahead and put that. I believe the text on the right. Let's see. Okay, we got header, divider, and a paragraph. So let's go grab a header. Boom. Let's grab a divider. If you don't know where it's at, you can always search it, and it'll give you the thing you're looking for. And I think we got a paragraph. Boom. Okay, so now what does this say here? It says domain names. Boom. Put that there. Boom. Let's change the color. I'm going to make that one white. Okay. Bang. What else they got? Get your .com domain today. So let's go ahead and hit enter. Boom. Oops. Let's bring that up. Let's change that to what color? Let's change it to the yellow or gold, whatever that is. No, I don't like that. Let's make it black. Stand out a little bit. That's cool. Whatever. You get the idea. Whatever colors you feel. I'm not really a graphic designer. Okay, now we got to change this divider here. So let's make that white. So you click on it and then you change your color here. Okay. And to make it thicker or thinner, you just, do this little thing here. I like the 3. And let's see. Change the width. You go to layout and position. Slide this over. Nice. And this box here, I think we want to give it like a little slide to the right. There we go. And then let's grab this text here. Copy it. And paste it. And let's make that white. Okay, what happened here? Okay, there we go. Make it white. Boom. And let's save it. Hey, we're making some progress, huh? We're getting some progress going on. Let's go ahead and save. Now, the cool thing about this, remember I was telling you about that duplicate button? If you click it, boom, it duplicates it. That's cool, huh? So it saves you all that time. Now, let me show you how we're going to make this one. Saves us a lot of time. We're going to go here and click this box that we duplicated, the columns. See where it says reverse column order? You click that. Isn't that cool? But don't forget to put borders, because see how it's real close to the edge? That doesn't look nice. So you want to put borders in your column. Okay, make sure you always do that. I'm going to put let me see. Let me redo this real quick. So you go here, reverse, and then you want to get your columns. Okay, let me put a border here. 25, and then another 25. It makes it look so much nicer when it's not on the edges. Okay, so always remember to do that. I don't know if I put a border here. Let me make sure. Yeah, see, I didn't even put one there, so let's put 25. It makes it look so much better. See how much plusher that looks? Let's go ahead and hit save. So now we got to change this text to web hosting. Okay. See how much time we saved about the duplicate button? Isn't that cool? Let's take that out. Web hosting and WordPress web hosting. So you're going to drop that in. Boom. I'm showing you how to make a website from start to finish. Let's make this one white. Okay, boom. And then all this is done with the Thrive Architect plugin. You can do it for your church, your business, your music group. Put a picture of you rapping here. However you want to do it. Okay, let's see. Let me get this text here. Let's go ahead and grab that. Control copy. Paste the text in there. Boom. And let's hit save. Now, what's different, see how this slant? We want to change that slant. So you click it. Remember decorations. change direction. Boom. See, I changed directions on you. Ooh, that's nice. And it's pretty much the same. So let's just change it up a little bit, make it look a little different. So we'll change the width and the height a little bit. And let's make it slide down a little bit. Let me see. Yeah, there we go. Nice. Okay. Now remember, we got to do another one here. Okay. So what we're going to do is duplicate it again. Let's do the top one. Duplicate it. Now, one thing I forgot to tell you. Let me show you. Let me tell you after I drag this down. Below column. Boom. It's looking nice. You always want to check your stuff on your mobile devices. I totally forgot, but how it looks on the tablets and the iPhone. So let's go ahead and check our top section. So we're going to try tablet first. Okay, I'm not filling that, so we're going to make this 50% like that. Boom. Okay, get your domain name. Let's move that. Now this is how it's going to look on a tablet. So let's change that. Bring it to the center. Drop it down. You could even change the width of the button. So it looks nice on the tablet. Boom, slide the button over. There we go. Okay. Boom. Okay. I want to make these single. So let me see here. That looks, oh, let me see. Let's see. We could do it like that, or you could do it like that. You change your column with it. See that? But you have to make sure your columns are selected, and then you could change. I like that. I like that. That looks nice. Okay, let's go ahead and save that. Now, this doesn't affect your iPhone or your tablet view. I mean your mobile view or your desktop view. It only affects the one you're looking at. So that's pretty cool about Thrive Architect. That looks nice. Wow. Good stuff. Ooh, that looks nice. Okay. It's coming along. Okay. Okay. Let's check it out in the iPhone, the mobile. Okay, not bad. You could take this spacing out though. That looks nice. You could also change the size of your text, which again, it'll only affect the mobile view, nothing else. Ooh, that looks nice there. Let's change that. Boom, default button, good, good. It's decent, good, nice, cool, cool. Let's hit save. Let's go back to our desktop view. Boom. All right, let's see what we got next here. Ooh, that's deep right there. Okay, that looks like a two column layout. Okay, so what we're gonna do, let's see, let's work it. You ready? Okay, I'm gonna go here, faithful columns, come down here, add two columns, boom. Okay, and let's change the margins. I think it's, yes, bigger, so that one is gonna go this way. Boom. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna change the background color. So let's go here. Let me see. Column background style. Let's try green, but let's make it a little lighter. Let's save this color too. Hit apply. I don't know if I'm feeling. I want to make it darker. Let's try something darker. That looks cool. That's decent. Okay, let's leave that one. Okay, then what else they got? Description. Okay. So it looks like what we got to do is we want to add a content box. So go ahead and add that content box. Okay. And then what we want to do is add some padding. Remember, don't forget to add the padding. So let's go to layout and let's add 20. 25. Okay, then another 25. Okay, boom, boom, boom. Change your left margin. Let me see. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to add a header. Let's add a header. So let's go here, grab the header. Boom. And what we got? Description of our online class. And let's make that white. Okay, there we go. And then I think we have some paragraph. So let's go ahead and drop that paragraph underneath. Let me see, let me select this one. Go to paragraph and drop it underneath. And let's go get the text that we're going to have to type all of it. I'm just going to copy it and we're going to paste it. Okay, now once again, what do we need to do? Let's change this color and let's change our borders. Let's put 20 on both sides. It just looks that much nicer. Okay, also here too. I guess the rule is whenever you have text in a box, give it a margin. Okay, nice. Now let's change all these to white. Change that to white. Change that to white. Change that to white. And change that to white. And hit apply. Hit save. Okay, now they got kind of catchy. Look at that. Okay, let's see. I think that's another content box. So we're going to add, let me see, content box. Okay, so let's go here. Content box. Boom. Okay, let's get rid of all these. Let's get rid of the padding on that. Okay. And then I think what we got a picture in the background. So let's click the content box and you're going to go to background style, choose image. Let me go get the image from a hard drive and let's try this guy here. Okay, boom. There it is. Hit apply. And let's see. Boom. Content box. Let's see. Minimum height. Let's make it a little bigger. Okay. Now we're getting somewhere. I see you. I see you. Okay. Let's make it a little bigger. Boom. While I'm at it, let me change these margins so they could match up. Let's see. Let me see. Okay, that's cool. Everything's good. All right. So now it looks like we've got a gradient over him. So let's go ahead and boom, boom, go there. What do we got? Background style. Let's throw gradient over. Oops, sorry, I chose image. Let's try gradient. You'd already know what to do. Choose your colors. Let's try a different color this time. Boom. Change it to 90 degrees. Boom. Drop your opacity so you can see the picture. Nice. I like that. Okay, boom. Hit apply. Hit save. Okay, then the box is over. So I think the way we're going to do that, we're going to go to content box. That's why it's so good to put things in the content box because it makes it, you can manipulate it a lot better. Okay, so let's go to layout position. Let's see what we got. Ooh. I think we found out how they did it. Boom, scroll it down. Boom. There you go. There it is. Then I think underneath that, we probably got about 2 more content boxes. So let's put them underneath one. Okay, let's change all these. Let's change that. Let's change that. I want to put it underneath. Okay. And then let's duplicate it. content box. And I think I have to probably line these up. 1, 2. Okay, and then let's change the width so it lines up. Let's see. Let's move this over. Maybe right align it. Let me try it. Let me see what's happening. And try to bring it. Okay, I'm not for sure if it's going to line up, but let me try it again. Okay, so let's get the content box. Drag it underneath. Okay, oh, I see. I'm going to have to redo this. Sorry about that. Let's take this out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate these. Boom. 1, 2. Okay, and we're going to get rid of all these borders here. Boom. Get rid of the border. Boom. Get rid of that border. Welcome to behind the scenes. This is a part of creating a website. But it's coming along. It's coming along. So what we're going to do is get our image. Get our image. Choose the guy at the computer. There it is. Hit OK. And we're going to change the height. That looks nice. Now everything is in sync. And let's change our borders. I don't like it going all the way to the right. How do we do that again? Layout position. And let's put a border. Let's put 25 and 25. That's what I changed. I see. And we have to change this one too then. So 25. Oops, that's 250. 25. 25. Oh, that's 250 too. 25. There we go. Grab that one. Make it 25 and 25. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to slide this over. Let's see if we can slide him over. Slide him down. And let's make him a little bigger. So we'll go with, let's see, the height. Okay, nice. Nice. Let's slide him back over. Let me get rid of those real quick. Let's slide him. Let's work on him first. Boom. And let's bring him down a little bit. Boom. Now he's over your text. So you want to bring him back over. Let's change this border on the text. Let's give it maybe like a 60, or maybe a 55. There we go. Okay, so now it's not overlapping, and we can make him a little bit wider. Let's see, boom. And you can bring him over to layout and position. There you go. Okay. Okay. So now what I'm going to try to do is drop in a little content box underneath him. I see what's happening. Okay. Yeah. I see what's happening. I see. Okay, so let's do it. Put a content box there, and then another content box. Let's take out. We'll take out that, and we'll take out that. Okay, and we take out the 20, and we take out the 20. Put 0. Okay, now we're gonna make slide that over there. Slide that over there. Slide that one over there. And slide that one over there. Okay, then it looks like, what do we got here? Like they put a color, so let's put a color in there. Let's go to like that. Let's try a green. Hit apply. Another green. Hit apply. And then I think we drop the paragraph up in there. This, what do they got? Free online class. Let's type that. Free online class. This is all the way live. Put in the middle. Make your font bigger. Lekker. That means nice. Okay, what else can we put here? Enroll today, maybe? Get the paragraph. Drop it in there. Let's put enroll now. Okay, slide it to the middle. And you could put hyperlinks, however you want to do it. Put a hyperlink, you select it. Scroll down. See where it says animation and actions. Wait, my bad, hold on. Let me do this real quick. Let me change the color and I'll show you how to put a hyperlink. White. And let's make the font a little bit bigger. Boom. To put the hyperlink, you actually go up here. Say you want it to go to http creatingwebsite.org. You hit insert. Now you got a hyperlink. Just change the color back to white. Boom. You ready to roll. Hit save. It's coming along, huh? Not bad for starting from scratch. Let's go to see what we got so far. Let's see what we got. Okay. Okay. Nice little website. Boom. That doesn't line up, so we got a mission. Let's fix that. Let's fix that. I don't like it. Okay. Boom. Let's see. I don't like that. So I'm going to do it all over. Ha! Welcome to behind the scenes. If you're still tuned in. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to work this thing. I already added the columns. So let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let's see where we at here. Content box. Boom. Okay. What we got? Already got that. Okay. I know what we need to do. I figured it. I know what we need to do. I'm going to add a shadow real quick to this little box. That looks nice. I need to put a content box inside of this content box. Now we roll it. Now we roll it. Okay, boom. Thank you for keeping in tune behind the scenes. I mean, this is part of building a website, you know? Thank you for keeping locked. There we go. And then what we want to do is put paragraph box. Then it all lines up. And we duplicate that. There we go. Oh, you can learn from my mistakes, okay? Boom, online class. Put it in the middle. Grab this one. Enroll now. Put 3 dots. Put that in the middle. Let's bold that. Make it bigger. There it is. Nice. So we're going to grab this whole content box and we're going to slide it over. That way, don't forget to put the border. Don't forget to put the border. Okay, we got to put some color so it doesn't look all mixed up. So let's put a background color. I like that light green one. Background color, light green. Change this color to white. Change your text to white. Boom. White. Boom. And we're going to get rid of that border at the top so it'll fit nice and plush. Okay, let's see. It's actually the bottom border. Boom. And you hit save. Wow. Okay, let's see if we can. I think they line. Yeah, let's line it up. So we're gonna go here. I think it's probably a bottom border here. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see columns. How can we take that to the top there? All right, let's try that. Let's try. Let's see. I'm gonna bring it up. So we're gonna go layout and position. Slide it up, and you hit save. Okay, now this thing. Oh wow, that looks nice. I like that. Okay, now what we got? Ooh, one more. We're almost done. We're almost there, you guys. Blog posts. So how do we do that? Let's see. To add the blog section, we're gonna select. Let me see. Header. Where we at? Where we at? Boom. Get yourself a header and drop it in there. And what we got? Let's just copy that. Blog post. Boom. Center it. Okay, then what you got? A little paragraph. Let's grab that. Like you said, you can put whatever you want. I'm just giving you the basics. Okay. Boom. Let's put that underneath there. Boom. Let's put that in the middle. Boom. Okay. So now what they got is 3 sections. Wow, that's deep. Okay, let's work it. So we're going to go to 3 columns. But I think what I might want to do, let me see, is add a content box. But let me see. Let's see how we can work it. Boom. There. And you want to select 3 columns. There it is. Boom. Okay. And we're going to add a content box inside the column. Boom. Okay. And then what do they got? There's a header, paragraph, and a button. Let's work it. So we got a header. How do you do it? Boom. Nope. You need to put it inside the content box. There we go. Paragraph. And then we'll work the button later. Let's go grab this text here. Can't grab it because it's a hyperlink. So let's go ahead and type it in. Domain names. And what else we got? Okay, let me just grab it from here. Boom. Okay. Boom. Okay. Wow. This is pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. Okay. So we're going to add an outline to the content box. And we're going to go to borders. Okay. Boom. Not too much. I think that was real light. Let's see. It's real light. Okay. Boom. And let's change the color. Should we go with our green? Yeah, let's go with that. Then what do they have? A button. Okay. So I think we're going to work it with the icon. So go to the icon, drop it in there. You get an icon. Below. And let's do the arrow. So I'll type in right. I'm going to put this arrow. Okay, I'm going to change the color. Ooh, that looks nice. And just right align it. Okay. And let's make it a circle. The way you make it a circle is you click the icon. See right here? You want to make that big. And then you want to give it a border. Bam. I need to show you one more time so you could get the hang of it. Okay. First thing is, if you put the border, it's going to give you that line. Okay. So you put the border. To make it a circle, you just make this real big. Okay. Then you hit save. Now, let's check out our stuff in a tablet. Okay. We could change his picture. So what we could do is make it go to the right. And that's how you, if you want to change it, Like whatever you click at the top, then it's gonna make the top a priority. You click the middle, makes the middle a priority. Click the bottom, make the bottom of your picture priority. So wherever you click, it's gonna make that a priority to be seen in where you're at in your view. I like that one. Okay, so what we're gonna do is let's choose that one there. Okay, and we'll hit OK. And let's check it out in the iPhone or the mobile. That looks cool. I don't like it on the edges there, so let's go here, layout position, and let's put a little, oops, sorry about that. Let's put 0. I think it's the content box we need to change because it's negative, so let's make it 0. Yeah, there we go, 0. Okay, and then this one's 25. Let's make that 0. That's only for the iPhone though, or mobile device. We could even slide this up a little bit. Let's get rid of that padding. It's always good to check your stuff how it looks in the the different views. Okay, so I'm just checking it out now. Okay, let's slide that up. What I'm gonna do is grab it, bring them up. Okay, boom. So that's how it looks in the mobile. Okay, let's hit save. Let's go back to our desktop. Okay, boom. Now we're putting in our blog. So let's see what else they got here. The colors has changed. So I don't know if we can make this like a color. I'm not really good at choosing colors, but let me see. That looks all right. Okay, what else they got? Green. So let's grab that. Ours, we're kind of working with green. Okay, that looks cool. Okay, boom. I want that icon to be a little smaller. Okay, let's change the. Remember, whenever you have text, you want to change your borders. So let's put 25. Or 20 is cool. That looks cool. And the cool thing about this is we're going to make one box, then we're going to duplicate it and drop it over so everything's set. So once this one looks good in your tablet and your mobile, everything else will look good. Okay. That looks cool. Okay. Let's go back. Now if you go over, notice how it changes. I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to click your entire box, content box. See where it says state, go to hover. And we're going to make some changes here. Let's make this button go, let's see. Let's make the color go like a gold. Let's make the outline go like that light green. So when you hover it, it's going to change that color. And let's give it a shadow. Let's make the shadow like a dark shadow, like a black. Boom, let's hit apply, exit state. So now when you hover, see how the button changes? Cool, huh? It's cool. Now the cool thing about this is we're going to save it. Okay, and we're going to come here, we're going to duplicate. Just click it, drag. Oops, my bad. Duplicate the whole thing here. So we're going to duplicate the content box. Boom. Click it and drag. Let's duplicate it again. See how much time you save? Click it. Oops. If you do it right though. Okay, let's click it. Where's my content box? Got my background section. How do I get, what's happening here? Hold on. Let me undo this real quick. Hold on 1 second. Let me fix this thing because this is not right. We got domain names twice. It's only supposed to be one. So let's get that out of there. And let's get that out of there. Boom. Okay, now we're making some progress. So now we want to grab this content box and we want to duplicate it. And we want to drag it over. Now what's the cool thing is, let me show you what you could do. You could come here, click your content box, okay, I mean your columns. See where it says gutter width? You can change that. Make them closer, farther. That's tight, huh? And then you could change your margins here. Okay, let's hit save. Okay. Okay, now what do we got? Hosting. Okay, let's grab this one. Web hosting and online class. So I'm going to grab that from here. Web hosting. And drop it there. Okay. Domain names. Oh, wait, can I grab it from here? There we go. Let's do it like that. And then we got domain names. Boom, boom. And then let's change that to green. And then what else we got? Online class. We can type that one ourselves. And then we're going to make that bold and italic. Okay. Now let's get and we copy and paste it. And I think it needs an I. If you are in need. Okay, let's grab the middle one. And like I said, this is just showing you the basics. Pretty much you can fix it up how you want. Let's see here. Boom, boom, boom. It would be nicer if this had, I'm just going to take out some of the text so it could line up. Make it look more plush. I would probably add more text, but however you want to do it. Got our little buttons going on. Let's do this. Let's duplicate this text because it's going to make it look a lot nicer. So we'll just go there and duplicate it. Yeah, makes the button look a lot nicer. Boom. Let's duplicate that. I'm just putting whatever for now, but like I said, you can put whatever you want. Boom. So you got domain names, web hosting, online class. Looks a little different, huh? That's supposed to be 40. There we go. Now what you got? Got the last section. You're almost done. Let's see how it looks real quick in our tablet. Okay, got the little hyperlinks. Okay, not bad, not bad. See how it looks in the mobile. Okay, not bad, not bad. Okay, let's go back to the desktop. And we got our last section we're going to do, and that's, that looks like that looks like a repeat of this. That's what it is. It's a repeat. So what we're going to do, I'm going to go up here, select it, and that's our columns. Duplicate. Let's drag it down. And we're going to drop it in there. Boom. Of course, we're going to take out the logo. Let's take out this button. Okay. What they got there? Okay. Different picture. Let's change the picture. You click on it. And you go to image. And let's put, it looks like this one. Nope. Okay, boom. Okay, so I'm gonna have to go get that image. I think it's, I don't see it here, but maybe we could just use anyone. So let's use this guy here. Let's use the online class, but we won't make it black and white. We'll just keep it color. And I'll probably change up the grading a little bit just to give it a different feel. Let's see. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, what else they got? Ooh, wee. Okay, it's a little smaller. Okay, let's go up. And we're going to do column. Let's see here. I think there might be a little, let me see. I think there's a content box in there. So let me grab a content box and drop it in there. Okay, and then I'm going to pick an image and I'm going to get rid of the back one. Yeah, so let's do that now. Let's get rid of this image. Oops, my bad. Let me see. Let me try to work this for you really quick. Boom. I'm going to go here. Background style. Grab the image. Use the same one. Okay. And let's get rid of this image. So we're going to get rid of that one. I'm going to go here. There we go. Okay, now we're making some progress. Boom. Looks like they got some borders. So let's do the columns. And let's put some borders on there. Let's try 45. Another one here. Let's try 25. Oops. Let me see. With the columns. Let's try a border of 25. And then let's try another border of 35. Hit save. Okay, let's slide it over a little bit. Okay, what about this thing? Can we move that over? Since we add it, let's try it. Okay, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Try the button. Okay, I'm not for sure how to get this thing over there. Let me try it. Button. Got the content box. Okay, there we go. Hit save. Now, let's preview it in the tablet. Looks cool. That's cool. Let's try the mobile. Default button text. Okay, that one. We probably get rid of these. Get rid of that. The margins. Make him a little wider. Okay, hit save. Now, let's go back to the desktop. Wow, it's coming along. Let's go ahead and hit save. And then we're just going to add a quick footer. I think there's a footer, yeah, at the bottom. And the way you do the footer, come over here, background section, click and drag. Okay, click on it. Choose your color. Let's see, background style. Let's try our light green. Hit save. Then you want to put a paragraph in there. And you just write copyright. Let's see, domain. Whatever your website is. .com 2018. Center it. Boom. Bold it. Make it bold. Make it pop. Make it font bigger. Let's make it white. Man, you got you a pretty little decent website there. Excuse me. Let's go ahead and preview it. All from scratch. That looks nice. Boom. Boom. There it is. Boom. Got the hover effect. That's not lining up. We can fix that. Boom. We need to fix that. Almost there. Wow. Oh, now. Let's see. Something with this lineup. Get rid of that. Rid of that. Save. And let's line this up. Content box. Okay. Got the image. Let me try something really quick. Let me hit save. See what we got. There's your image. I think that's part of the image. Oops. Yeah, we gotta fix that though. I don't like it. Okay, let's do it like this. Let's get rid of this image. Okay. See, it's that content box. I think that's what it is. The gradient. I see. I see what it is. Okay, boom. Let's put that there. Boom. The challenge is the image is over the gradient. You want to put the gradient over the image. Okay. Boom. It's your desktop. Let's hit a preview. See what we got. There you go. That's huge, huh? We could resize it though. Let's go here. And let's see, how do you... Oh, you have to do a content box in order to resize it. All right, let me see if I can fix that for you really quick. Let's see. That's the cool thing about the content box. So we're gonna... Let's see if I can put the content box in here. Drop it in there. Select the image. You want to click on the box. Go to background style. Choose image. Boom. So that's the challenge. I see. Okay. Well, we're all learning. So that's how we do it. Okay. Now let's get rid of that image back there. So the way I'm going to do that is click on there. Get rid of that image there. Boom. And then I'm going to get rid of that gradient. Boom. That was our challenge. See how we figuring it out? And then we're going to add the gradient. Boom. And let's add, go to your 90. Thanks for sticking it out, you guys. I really appreciate it. And let's change the this color. Bring it down to 70. Bring this one down. Okay, hit apply. Save. And preview it. Let's close some of these. Scroll down. Boom. There it is. There it is. There it is. Pretty similar, huh? Pretty close. Not too bad. Pretty close, pretty close, pretty close. I think some of our borders are different. You know, I think this border, let me see, columns. See if I can give you some borders. Maybe like 55. 55. In the background section, let's see, maybe another 25. 25. Hit save. Hit this content box. Bring it up. I don't want to spend too much time making the details, but You have the skills now to create your own website. Look at that. Boom, pretty close, huh? There to there. Pretty close. I can see that border. Let me just change that real quick. You made it this far. Let's go ahead and change that up a little bit. So you got column. Let's put some borders in there. Do 25. Now we're just tidying it up a little bit. Okay, boom. Save. Let's click this button. Just tidying it up a little bit now. That's all we're doing. Make this a little wider over there. Boom. Save. I say preview. Not bad from where we started, huh? With the blank website. Still the borders. That's see. Let's check it out. Boom. Borders are a little different. But you got the basic. Let me just fix it up for you really quick. Boom. Go there. Content box. Let's try. Let's try. 25. Okay. I think we're making some progress. Let's hit save. Let me see. Get yours today. Let's refresh it. See what we get. Okay, we're getting there. But, you know, you could spend some more time doing all the details. But that looks pretty plush. We could even bring this down a little bit. You see, just grab it. Go to your layout and position. Okay. You want to click the button. Make sure you're on the button, not the text. And just bring it down. Bam. Hit save. Check it out in your tablet. Let's check this. Let's change that picture. Let's see. Remember I told you how to do this? Let's see which one we like here. Boom. 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 See what we got. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Okay. Boom. Boom. None of those pictures are really working, so let's try like that. Maybe we could bring them over. Yeah, we'd have to fix that. I'd probably change the image, to be honest, because it's not working. You can't really see them. But once again, this is a basic website. We'll just leave that for now. Boom. Oh, wait, let me try something. Let's see. Let's try stretch. Let's try that. Let's see if that changes anything. No? Okay. So let's just leave it the way we had it. Boom, put it there. And we're going to hit save. All right? Boom. But I would probably change the image, you know, spend some time fixing it up. That looks nice. Cool. Cool. Decent. Decent. Come on, somebody. It's mobile. Wow, that looks nice. Imagine seeing that on an iPhone or your mobile device. I would probably bring this up a little bit. Oops, sorry about that. I would grab the button. Gotta bring the button up. I would probably bring it up a little bit. But I don't know. Let me see. Yeah, I would probably bring it up a little bit. Yeah, there you go. Now that's rocking. And I'd probably spread it out a little bit. Button width. And slide it over. I'll slide it over a little bit. Like I said, you can spend a lot of time on this thing, but you got your basics looking nice, looking nice. Overall, I would change this. Probably put that to 0. I'll spread this out a little bit. I think it's the column that we need to spread out. All right, let me see. Content box. See how it's real skinny? I would fix that. I wouldn't have it like that. Probably take out those borders. Boom. Come on, somebody. There you go. So you can tweak it, but this is all made with Thrive Architect. Let's see the bottom end product. There it is. Boom. Welcome to the place that sells domain names for cheap. We walked you through it. Looking good. Ooh, that looks nice. Hey, there's your blog. Put a little hyperlink to your blogs. Let me show you real quick how you can put your hyperlinks. You go here. So if you want to put hyperlinks, you select the whole box, okay? See where it says content box, select that. Go down here where it says animations and actions. Click that. Click the link. Put the link you want it to go to. We want ours to go to creatingwebsite.org. Hit apply. And it would have been cool if I would have did that beginning when you duplicate it. You know, it would have had the hyperlinks in there. But you don't want everything to go to the same page, so it's good to do it separately also. And we got another hyperlink here. Let's put www.pastordre.com. Wherever your blogs or wherever you want to take them to. Maybe you got your latest single. Click the whole box. Make sure it says column. Okay. And animation and action. Boom. And you put HTTP domain priced cheap.com. All right. I want to thank you guys for sticking out the class. You save it. Let me just show you how your hyperlink works real quick on your post there. Boom. You got your website. Scrolling down. Somebody comes to your website. They want to hear your latest single. They click it there, and it takes them to your SoundCloud, YouTube, whatever. All right. Thank you for sticking it out. This is your boy, Pastor Dre. And we just created a website from scratch. All right. If you want to get Thrive Architect, once again, you go to creatingwebsite.org to get your copy of Thrive Architect. It will take your web design to a whole nother level. Just click right here, get Thrive Architect plugin. It's your boy, Pastor Dre. Peace. I'm out.